6 minus 3 is equals to plus 3, and 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. So you see that 3 times 4 is equals to 12. So this is the wrong answer, or this is the wrong method or wrong steps to solve this type of problem. So here, in order to solve this type of problem, we just use here the PEMDAS rule. Okay, I hope so you already know about the PEMDAS rule, but here I can little bit explain it. So here you know about that. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So here this is the order of operations which we can use from left side to right. Okay, it means that here the parenthesis gives us the first priority, exponent gives the second priority, multiplication and division gives us the equal or same priority. Similarly, addition or subtraction is also gives the same priority. And now we move towards the solution of the given question. And now first we copy down given question statement. Here it is 6 minus 3 times 6 minus 2. So first you see that here we use the two operations, subtraction and multiplication. And now from this PEMDAS rule, multiplication gives the first priority and subtraction gives the last priority. This means that first we need to simplify the multiplication terms, so that we multiply these two values and we write the other term as it is. This is 6 minus 3 times 6 becomes 18, and this is minus 2, and further we have minus 18 minus 2 becomes here minus 20, and 6 minus 20 is equals to minus 40. So this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.